Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Nano back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. We got another unboxing. Check it. Garmin Venu. Venu. I don't know how you want to pronounce it. It is an AMOLED GPS smartwatch. You guys know that Garmin makes smartwatches, mostly fitness trackers and fitness watches with some smart capabilities. I have never owned a Garmin smartwatch before. However, this looks dope. This looks nice. This doesn't look big and bolty and like I'm about to go plant some search and destroy flags and that I need some GPS coordinates. That's not for me. If it's for you, great, but it's not for me. I've actually been using this guy right here. I've been using this guy right here, which is the Fitbit Versa 2. And I've used this for a few days, and now I've been wanting to try this guy out because between this and this, I don't know what I'm going to go with. And you guys have seen my Apple Watch Series 5 review, so you guys know what that's all about. And I ended up returning that. Shocker, maybe not. Let me know in the comment section below why you think I returned it. But I wanted to get something that was a little bit more fitnessy, and something that more importantly gave me a lot more battery life. So, hint, hint, I'll let you know what that's all about in another review. But if you think you know what I returned the Apple Watch, let me know in the comment section below. With that being said, guys, I don't want this to be a big rambler. And then let me know what you guys think if you've owned a Garmin before, if you haven't. Because right now, this is the Fitbit Versa 2. I've had other Fitbits, plenty of Fitbits, never had a Garmin, and I'm hoping that this is the one to go. It is way more expensive, so I'll leave it at that. But yeah, let me know what I'm missing out, man. I'm new to the Garmin family, and I'm kind of excited. I was debating between this and the one from the Vivo Active 4 or 4S, and I realized that this was the in-between model, $50 more expensive. By what I mean by in-between is size is 43 millimeters versus the 4S Vivo Active, which is 40. And the regular 4, which is 45, this is 43. And then the big kicker is this right here, AMOLED. The AMOLED is going to give you that crisp, clean looking screen. However, battery life might be an issue. And again, that'll be part of my review. But let's go ahead and take a look at this bad boy. They have this in a, I think, black model like this, or the space gray model. And then I think they have a lighter silver model. Let's move that aside. I'm doing it right. All right. Books, pamphlets. Most of the people these days don't really need to read this, but there's that, and there's another one. And that's it. And then this. Another, I was going to say another proprietary charger. Almost looks like a USB-C. Maybe, maybe not, but I think it is proprietary, so that sucks. I wish these manufacturers would give us USB-C, micro USB something, probably USB-C. So let's put that aside. I don't see extra bands. Fitbit gives you an extra band. I hope this fits. I just actually thought about that. Is this supposed to be like a one size fits all band? Because Fitbit gave me an extra band that, by the way, took forever to install. So maybe this is a one size fits all. Maybe. So there you have it. Band on this one gives you this kind of angly look. And then you've got this that actually lays flat. It's more like a smartwatch, like Samsung's or something like that. I don't know what's heavier, if the Versa 2 is heavier, or if the Venu or Venu, but it's not heavy, so that's a start. In the comment section below, what you guys think. Are you rocking this? Are you not rocking this? Are you rocking a Garmin fitness tracker right now? I'm really hoping that this thing right here sleeps well. What I mean by that is that it doesn't really bother me while I'm sleeping. I love sleep tracking. I love seeing my notifications. I really don't care about interacting with them like an Apple Watch would do or a Samsung smartwatch would do. But I do like to see them. And I'm a data fanatic. And that's the thing that I've been reading on Reddit. Garmin is all about data. Fitbit kind of simplifies things. I'm not a huge runner. I wish I was. I'm too fat for that. Maybe if I start running, I wouldn't be. But I love data. I love that this has GPS built in. Don't need a phone for that. So yeah, $399 retail. Bought it at Best Buy. I'll link it at Amazon for you guys. And again, let me know in the comment section below if there's anything in particular. I'm going to be approaching this review from a common, just basic user, a guy who cares about his notifications, but more importantly, isn't a fitness fanatic or freak. And then if there's anything in particular that you want me to check out, let me know, and we'll go from there. Like always, guys, it was Nando back with another video. And like always, stay geeky. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, salute, adios, and please hit that subscribe button, guys, and catch the other videos coming up. See ya.